Alright, we're going to go through the new house. This is our new kitchen. Here's the back door. We can't zoom out, so you're going to have to deal with it. New kitchen. Ooh, exciting stuff. Now we're going into the dining room / living room / this is where my computer is. Front door. It's the living room. All our pictures.
Probably should have told them that whichever way they go home.
This is our bedroom. Our closets. And now we're going out into Colby's room. It's not very big. It's a crib and his toys, some of them. Most of them are in the living room. And his armoire. And his closet. And then we go back out. And there's our room again. And here is Alyssa's bedroom. It's not done yet. She still has many pictures to get put on the walls. There's her big TV she loves so much. Her closet. Now, the kitchen, or the bathroom. It's a little valley house. Same old stuff. And our ugly mirror. Say hi, Colby. Hi. There's our ugly vanity that we're going to take out. Okay, bye. Say bye-bye, Colby. Bye-bye. Bye.